Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva to design Instagram ad creatives for US audiences, full guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click on the Create a Design button. In the search bar, type Instagram ad. Select the Instagram ad option from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to the design workspace. On the left side, you will see a toolbar with various templates. Browse through the templates until you find one that resonates with your campaign. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. Now, focus on customizing the text. Click on any text box to edit the wording. Tailor the message to appeal to your US audience, keeping language and cultural references in mind. Adjust the font style, size, and color to enhance readability. Next, customize the background of your ad. Click on the background to change its color or add an image. To add an image, click on the Uploads tab on the left toolbar. Upload your own images or choose from Canva's free photo library. Drag and drop your images onto the design. Ensure the visuals are high quality and relevant to your message. Now, let's add elements to your design. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Search for shapes, icons, or illustrations that align with your ad. Drag any chosen elements into your design. Adjust the size and position to create a balanced layout. Next, consider adding a call to action button. Use a contrasting color to make it stand out. You can create a button using shapes and add text to it. Make sure your call to action is clear and engaging. Once you're satisfied with your design, review it for consistency. Check for spelling errors and confirm that all visuals align with your brand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.